Hey guys, we're here to show you how to use the all surface cleaner for doing carpet cleaning. As you can see, this place has few spots in traffic areas. We're going to just use this room as a demo to show you how it works. I'm going to go outside and show you how to start it up. Oh good, Alfredo's here. Alfredo, can you show us how to fire this up?
Sure. Alright. So before you start up the engine, make sure your hands on the trigger, press it. Then you come over here. Have the throttle up halfway. Turn the choke on, which is to the left, and have the gas line on, which is open. Go ahead and start the engine. What you're going to do is open up the valve, align it with the valve to open up the pump out. Press vacuum 1, vacuum 2, and press the pump out.
Go inside, but I want to just show you here. I want to adjust my pressure to 500 psi. So I go here and I turn it 500 psi. I'm ready to go. So basically you want to saturate it, don't oversaturate it. If you oversaturate it, then the spots and stains will actually go inside and wake back up. So it just has to be the right amount. Alright, so here's time for extraction. We just give it a little bit of dwell time, not a lot. And if you don't have enough dwell time, then you can just start in a cleaner area. But I'm just going to show you this section and how the cleaning goes. Takes about a minute or so. The water gets super hot, so you can probably start noticing how hot it is getting now. And basically the hotter it is, the better the cleaning in this case. It will make the carpet more fluffy and it'll just have a better clean. You can actually hear that popping noise, which is steam. If you have any dirty areas where you need to go over, you can scrub it this way. So if there's some spots that you need to get out, like that, and you have trouble getting them out, and in this case, if you think they're oil-based, what you can do is get Citra-Pure gel, and you can put it on there, and then just agitate a little, don't use your finger like me, but agitate it a little bit just to kind of loosen it up. And then come back. And then just extract it. As you can see, it's gone. So once you're done cleaning, you're ready to turn it off. If you do not use the machine for, like, let's say 60 seconds or so, it's better for you to turn it off because it'll make the machine last longer. It's not meant to run with at full blast when you're not using it. But when you're done with the job, you just go turn it off, and I'll show you how to turn it off.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna throttle down all the way. We're gonna turn it off right there. Alright, we're going to the vacuum. Align it, turn it sideways, just to shut off the pump out, so that way you won't leak because of gravity.